For the first time on Disney DVD, if you're looking for some fun,
Eat, sick, go!
meet the silliest bunnies in town.
Hippity hop, we go hop, 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 hoppity hop.
Bunnytown Hello Bunnies on DVD. Join your favorite bunny buddies as they meet new friends.
I wonder what kind of star you are.
I'm a rock star.
Sing new songs.
Everybody dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Discover new places.
Need a lift?
No, thank you.
And learn new lessons.
Yellow is the color of the Bunnytown Ducks.
Orange is the color of the Bunnytown truck.
Including bouncing bonus features.
Pretty groovy, huh?
Bring your family all of the fun, just in time for Easter. From the hit Playhouse Disney series, it's Bunnytown Hello Bunnies, coming soon to Disney DVD.